Gonna make myself a little salad. I got all this stuff that I'll show you what I'm gonna do here, but this is all my stuff for salads. I usually been eating a lot of salads, and that's why I haven't been doing a lot of videos, but I'll show you how I like to do my salads. I got some ham and some sirloin steak here cut up. I'm gonna cook this stuff up. And this will go on top of the salad. I'll show you how I do my salads. This spring mix I like to use here. And I got all my stuff that I use, and plus I like this stuff here. Meantime, I'm going to cook this stuff up. It goes on top of the salad. And I give some of it to the dog, so if I cook a little bit of extra sirloin steak and ham. Alright, what I like to do while the steak is cooking, I like to put some spring mix in the bottom there. How I like to do my salads. I got some radishes. I like to cut them up. Put them on there. And got some mushrooms. Put them in. Cut some of that up. Put some mushrooms in there. Portobello. It's good for your microbiome. I'm gonna take some broccoli. Cauliflower. Green pepper. Alright, so we put the green peppers in there. What else I put in there? Got some celery. I got some cucumbers. And some tomatoes. You know, and then I'll have plenty of salad stuff for the week. Dressing, I make my own dressing, extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and balsamic vinegar. Homemade. Put a little bit of that on there. And the meat. There you go, healthy salad. I usually like to eat like that. Sometimes every day or every other day, it depends. How real working men cook.